Good morning. We're on our way, me and this little one, to the delightful little village of Wool here in Dorset to fit a new pair of field gates for a customer. He's got some very old gates that have seen better days, so we're on our way now to fit him some beautiful hardwood field gates, 5-bar field gates. Iroko is a member of the teak family. It's a perfect timber for rural uses because eventually, if it's left, it doesn't need any treatment at all, and it silvers down eventually. In a couple of months' time, we'll be celebrating 25 years in business, and one of the things I've loved about my job over the years is mornings like this. We're just coming into spring, it's a beautiful fresh morning, and it's just getting to see all these little beautiful places as part of the job. I do feel very lucky, and I've got a great team of lads that work for me. I'm very proud of them all. My sister Claire works in the office and she runs it like clockwork. If you call us, it'll be probably her that picks up the phone. Only too happy to help. I've got Henry, who's workshop manager. He takes care of everything out there. And we've got Aidan, Rob and Jack, fully skilled joiners, very proud of their work. They produce some beautiful gates and garage doors for us. And of course we've got our beautiful little mascot here, Lola. She keeps me company in the van. If she's a good girl today, we'll take her for a walk after we've fitted the gates. I've got my morning coffee to wake me up. Lovely cappuccino with a bit of chocolate on top. Incidentally, if you are interested in the gates that I'm fitting today, browse our website and look for Dorchester style gates. Can be made in softwood or hardwood. The hardwoods we use are sapele, which is mahogany, or Iroko, which is what we're fitting today. In one of my next videos, we're going to be talking about a new material, a new timber, well, new to us, called Iroko. It's a timber that has been through a pickling process to almost fossilise the timber cells to make it very, very prone to weather conditions and lack of movement. So I'll be talking more about that in one of my next videos. In another film I'll be making, we'll be showcasing some sliding doors, some garage bifold doors, and these are made from Iroko. The customer wanted a painted finish. Iroko is perfect for a painted finish, and we can offer a full professional spray painted finish for the doors. Doors are supported from a track above and run in a threshold along the bottom, so it's a brilliant system and it's really, really smooth. Just pass through Wareham and then shortly we'll be passing Lulworth. Most of Lulworth is owned by the MOD for its tank operations. It's all part of the Jurassic coastline. It's a beautiful coastline here over the Purbex, and there's some great walks, some lovely little pubs. So if you're ever down this way, it's really worth visiting. Really misty morning this morning. Hopefully this will all burn off soon in a couple of hours. What do you reckon, Pupster? Hey? Not amused. all the gates have got a throw over loop at the top, 2 drop bolts to secure them in the closed and open position, adjustable hinges, so if you get a bit of settlement you can just lift them up again, stainless steel bolts all the way through so you won't have an issue with rust. If you enjoy watching our videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one. You've been a good girl, haven't you? Should we go for a walk? Should we go walkies? Thanks very much for watching. Lots more films to follow showing our work in progress. I think this little one wants a little bit of my blueberry muffin. Do you like blueberry muffins?